totally different city at 69 degrees with no humidity.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, when we just left New Orleans, we had 100 degrees with high humidity. Then it's right here.
Right here.
Coming up. Yep. This is the convention center.
Okay. So
1,300 feet. You turn right onto 5th Street. 1,100 feet. I guess it's this next road. Hopefully we can, with this construction going on. I don't know. Yeah, here's the convention center.
Okay.
And right after the convention center is 5th Street.
Keep going straight. Yeah.
No, you make a right onto 5th.
Oh, okay.
If we can. It's 400 feet from here.
Is that it?
That's the Hilton, yep. It's up here though. Watch this guy coming out of nowhere. That's dangerous right there. Where the cars park right on the crosswalk. People come walking out, you can't see them. Okay, yep, you turn here. Onto 5th. And then up here a little bit farther, not on Nietzsche's, a little further up, I guess there's the parking garage.
Well, shouldn't we first go to check-in?
I don't know. Right here is parking. See, it says to park. Oh, I guess we can park right there. We'll go around the block again, I guess.
Right.
I don't even know where the entrance is.
That's what I'm saying.
Here's the parking. I pull in here. What's the worst that can happen? That's the entrance there.
Get some
Guest parking. Here's the more parking and the entrance is, which I think you just take an elevator up to the, to the.
Okay, it was a pretty rough check-in here. A lot of construction outside, and the parking's a mess, and the keys didn't work. We had to load in ourselves. So I'm hoping that this room is nice. And let's see. Very nice. Very bright. Couple of queens. That'll be okay. TV. This is a nice bathroom. Not bad. I would expect a little bit more from a Hilton, but it is what it is. Check the view. Maybe that'll make up for it. Oh, very nice view of the whole city.